Finding the right lipstick shade can feel like a lifelong search, but here in New York there's a store that can bring your colour vision to life. The Bite Beauty Lip Lab is a unique boutique where you can customise lipstick colours and formulas to your heart's and lips' desire. There are two types of experiences: a la carte, where you choose from 200 pre-existing shades and just select your own finish and formula, or bespoke, a completely personalised lipstick where colours are custom mixed and made just for you. I booked in to make 2 bespoke lipsticks last year. The first brief, a rich brick red with a matte cream finish, my favourite type of shade to wear. A few adjustments later and we got there. Then I was aiming for a Rouge Noir inspired deep dark wine shade. There it is. Pick your scent and watch your lipsticks come to life. Don't forget to choose a name. Now I can wear New York nights to remember a fantastic few weeks in the city, and West Village wine after my favourite neighbourhood. The process is fun and a visual feast for colour and art lovers, and you get to take home the ultimate beauty souvenir.